Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering polish, 2 microfiber cloths, rubbing alcohol and gloves. This speeds the job and protects finishes. Once ready, test on a hidden 1-inch patch so you confirm compatibility. Wipe the area with alcohol to remove oils. Make sure the metal is dry. Next, put a pea-sized drop of polish on the cloth and press gently into the grain. This concentrates product where it cuts through oxidation. Move now, section by section. Don't saturate the surface. Once you have product on the cloth, work a small 6 to 12-inch section at a time so polish doesn't dry unevenly. Start with short circular motions to break deposits, then switch to long strokes that follow the grain to align the finish and remove micro scratches. Make sure to reapply a tiny amount if friction stops. That keeps abrasives active. For seams and corners, use a swab or soft brush to push polish into crevices, then immediately remove excess so it doesn't haze. You finish by switching to a clean microfiber cloth and buffing each section until a consistent shine appears. This removes haze and polishes out fine streaks. Make sure to wipe away any residue. Use a damp cloth for water-rinsable formulas or a dry wipe for non-rinse types, then inspect under bright light. If you want longer protection, apply a thin layer of stainless-safe wax. If streaks or scuffing persist, reclean the area, use less product, or try a finer abrasive pad as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.